Today's video topic is negative effects of fast food. Negative effects of fast food. Fast food is often nutritionally poor and high in calories. Evidence demonstrated that overeating commercial fast food products can negatively affect in both the short and long term. Many fast food establishment now list the number of calories each each item contains. However, this is only part of the consideration of whether it is healthy or not. Fast food is typically poor in terms of nutrition. According to a 2015 review, fast food tends to contain various substances that are generally unhealthy. It is in high sugar, salt saturated, or uh, tra- fats, and many processed preservatives and ingredients. It also lacks some beautiful nutrients, some beneficial nutrients. However, not all fast food uh, are negative im- has a negative impact, and a person can make an informed choice. Researching the nutritional contents of particular fast food items, people can this people can find this information on the websites of most major restaurants. That said, even the more healthy fast food items are generally high in sugar, salt, saturated fats, and trans fats. The Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion notes that the typical person in the United States consume too much consume too much food components. Fast food is typically high in sugar, salt, and saturated or trans fats. The body's reaction to these nutrients results in a range of short-term impacts. Short-term impacts when a person eats fast food. Spike in blood sugar. Fast food breaks down quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar because of the refined carbohydrates and added sugars. It turn this causes an abnormally large insulin surge, resulting in a drop in blood sugar. This can cause people to feel tired. Insulin promotes further hunger within a short time after the meal. Blood pressure. A small 2016 study found that consuming high levels of salt could immediately impact the proper functioning of a person's blood vessels. Excess sodium levels intake also has links to fluid retention, increased inflammation. A single a single serving of fast food could increase inflammation throughout throughout the body. A 2015 study found that one fast food meal in saturated fat increased airway inflammation in individuals with asthma. This inflammations acts as a trigger for asthma affects nutrient intake. Fast food does not typically contain fresh fruit and vegetables. If an individual eats fast food frequently, they may find it challenging to reach their recommended daily intake of at least 5 servings of fruit and vegetables. They may also have difficulties reaching their ideal fiber in intents, which according to the Food and Drug Administration is 28 grams per day. Binge eating. Fast food is highly Fast food is highly palatable, meaning the body breaks it down quickly in the mouth and it does not need much chewing. Therefore, it activates the reward centers in the brain rapidly. This combination trains the palate to prefer these highly processed, highly stimulating foods and reduces someone's desire for whole fresh foods. Research from 2018 and other previous studies have suggested a link between fast food consumption and the incidence of food addiction for these low nutrient link items. A small 2017 study of 15 adults found that a single day of high fat overeating damage in insulting sensitivity. This can then trigger a cycle of binge eating or binge eating disorders. Long term impacts. There is plenty of well researched evidence showing that the regularly eating fast food can harm a person's health. A 2015 study identified that sometimes irreparable effects of eating fast food. Such risks include obesity, insulin resistance, types type 2 diabetes, and various cardiovascular conditions. This is because most fast food is high in sugar, salt, saturated fat, trans fats, processed ingredients, and calories. It is also generally low in antioxidants, fiber, and many other nutrients. Digestive system. Many fast food meals extremely low in fiber. Doctors associated low fiber diets with a high risk of digestive conditions such as constipation and diverticular disease, as well as reductions in healthy gut bacteria, immunity, and inflammation. A 2019 review examined the effects of a Western diet on a person's immune system. This diet consists of high amounts of sugar, salt, and saturated fat from only a few resources. The authors noted that a Western diet could lead to the higher inflammation, lower control of inflammation, higher cancer rates, and a high risk of allergic and inflammatory disease. Allergies. In a 2018 review, the authors established a link between fast food consumption and increased in asthma an increase in asthma, rhinoconjunctivitis, and eczema. Thank you.